Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix dirty or unwashed mop pads on MOVA V50 Ultra. To fix dirty or unwashed mop pads, you will need to first remove your robot from the charging station. Then it will try to start moving, so I'll give it a moment so I can pause it. Yeah.
Paused.
Okay. Great. Let's move it away. Now let's get into the station. As you can see right here, the mop pads are currently removed, but I'll take them out of here. There's this tray. There's this tray that is removable, and I think that's the only removable part here. Sometimes there's more, but as I can see, you can't remove more. So this can be cleaned manually and should be cleaned manually, but I believe it really looks like, yeah, okay. So this is the only thing that can be removed. If there is any excess water here, you may want to try to remove it with a cloth or something, or paper towel. Now, once we have that set, you can also clean the washboard automatically. You can trigger auto washboard cleaning by going to the app. So let's do it. Yeah, so there is the app. And now when you click on three dots in the top right corner, you will be able to find accessory usage, I think. No, I don't think so. Hold on. Okay, in the settings, you actually need to go to dock settings, washboard base auto clean, and then you should basically put the robot back in the station, and then start the cleaning washboard base with the mops on the inside as well. So yeah, you should do that, and that might help. If it didn't, make sure that there's water in the clean water tank. And after that, again, in the dock settings, in settings, you should find different things like the mop washing settings. Make sure it's enabled, and make sure a correct mop washing water level is set. You may want to set it to a higher one, and also that the water temperature is set to the correct one as well. Then mop drying settings should also be adjusted correctly to your desired value. And then one more thing is in the bottom left corner button on the main page of the robot page. And then in mop or vacuum and mop, or mop after vacuuming, you should find mop washing frequency, and you should set it to, instead of by room, like in my case, try setting it to by area or by time, and just set it to one of the lower values. So like if I set it to by time, instead of 25, I may want to set it to 20 or 15, or by area, instead of 20, I may want to set it to 15, and stuff like that, to just make it clean more frequently. Also, make sure that you have your detergent inserted if you are using a detergent, because it's not, you don't have to use the detergent, but if you want to use the detergent for mop washing, which will make it more efficient, you may want to put the detergent in the robot. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.